The program is about business creativity. We are encouraging students to think differently. We are encouraging them to think positively about the future directions of their organization, culminating in a business plan for a new enterprise and considering the future vision and mission of that organization.
Mainly we're focusing here in business, how to build business and how to market your business. And for me as a person who works in a hotel, this is a new perspective for me. So not working in it, but like creating the work from the start.
How to grow the business, how to grow more than the operations wise.
I learned new marketing strategies and new business modules which they use in Switzerland in their hotels.
It will be useful. All the points we take from here, it will be useful in our field. Most of the teachers here, they have a background exactly the same what we work in right now. So we have the same mentality of thinking, which is share more ideas.
We can improve and our hotel to be on next level.
We always have that plan to be independent and not working for someone and build your own business. So I think I got a good base of information to maybe have my own work in the future.
2 days ago we was taking a course. After we finished the classes, we go to the field and saw exactly what we studied. That is one of the amazing things I got, because it was exactly the same what we studied, and we go and we saw how to sell the product, that's the point.
You're not like here just only to study, you are living the whole experience, as you said, the food, the teacher, even they told us about their background, their culture, and we can exchange also the information between us. They know more about Saudi now, and we also know more about Switzerland now. So it's not only about classes and learning, yeah.
I think I like every part about Switzerland because it's my favorite place and I like to come here every year.
These are very engaged, very motivated and very forward-thinking individuals. They are clearly managers who are destined for great things if that is what they want.
I appreciated that I was selected in this program, and it will be more advantage to my career.